Formulas are so hard.
No, I wish there was another way for us to memorize it.
Prepare yourselves.
For what? Whoa.
Nice fresh clothes. Swaggy.
X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Don't you see? Quadratic formula that you need. Quadratic formula, x squared plus 12x plus 11 equals 0. Then you got your coefficient, which is 1 equals a. Then 12 equals b. Then 11 equals c. Then we're gonna change it to the quadratic formula. Negative 12 plus the square root of 12 squared minus 4 times 1 times 11 over 2. Negative 12 plus the square root of 144 minus 44 over 2. We got this, it's so easy. 144 minus 4 is just 100. Square root of 100 is just gonna be 10. Negative 12 plus 10 over 2. Halfway through, we got this, so easy. Yes, we gotta. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Don't you see? Quadratic formula that you need. Quadratic formula, We're almost done. You got negative 2 over 2, which is basically negative 1. But you gotta go back and turn that positive to a negative, and you get negative 12 minus 10 over 2, which is negative 22 over 2, and it equals negative 11. Both of your answers will be negative 1. Don't forget, negative 11.
Is this the real life, or just negative b? Plus or minus signs will root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. It equals x, don't you see? I'm just a fool.
X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Don't you see? Quadratic formula that you need. Quadratic formula,
X squared plus 13x plus 22 equals 0. Then you got your coefficient, which is 1. It is a. And 13, which is b. And 22, which is c. Now let's change it to the quadratic formula.
Negative 13 plus the square root of 13 squared minus 4 times 1 times 22 over 2. We just did this. Come on, let's just do it again. Negative 13 plus square root of 169 minus 88 over 2. Negative 13 plus square root of 81 over 2. That's just gonna be negative 13 plus 9 over 2. Negative 4 over 2. Just gonna equal negative 2. Let's go back and change that plus to a minus sign. Negative 13 minus 9 over 2. That just equals negative 22 over 2. It just equals negative 11. Our answers are x equals negative 2 and x equals negative 11. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Don't you see? Quadratic formula that you need. Quadratic formula,
Move your shadow out, please. For what? Oh my gosh. Was that a math problem?
You came out of the green screen, buddy.